A science of all, a definition of everything, a numerological count that fits every single letter and word and sound into a musical note, reverted into a color and played into the game of games people play. Pool, Monopoly. Boating on the lake. Cars going by and planes in the sky. The heartbeat, the feeling inside when there's thunder in the sky. Light, light, 10, and 9. Light to 9. Russia, 9-3, which says 39, which says C and I, right? C and I. Cielo. It says cielo inside this word. Why? Because this is the letter C, and this is the letter I. The letter O is made up of, the letter L is made up of 1 and 2. 3 is a makeup of 1 and 2. There's no other way to make a 3 but a reversal to 5 and 6 or 1 and 2. When you pick up 2 dice, the opposite of the dice explain that, and they also explain the world that you're in and what you need to get to it, where you need the coordinate zones, okay? This one is a splitter. It's a star. Everywhere around is 8 positions, and everything is overlapping. It's not me. Go look at what the scientists said. They overlap and how certain elements, okay, suck in each other and become one. Where oil and water, all they do is break up into small little particles. Now what we're going to just point out here is that in Russia, 9-3 is the same number for sky, and the same number, not in sky is not 39, sky is 55, 19 and 11 and 25. 25 for Earth, 19 equals to 44 area space, plus 11 for the K equals to your 55. Saturn equals to 93. The word 10 equals to 39. 311911. Help. 9 and 1 artificial intelligence, 11 is the K. 11 and 10, KJ, JK, Jack King. Relevance to 9 again is the letter I, which also represents a 1. In Roman numerals, they count the 1, okay, as 1, but it's the letter I as 1. It's a division of 2 sides, where the I shows the top center of the second side. The I shows it's an area square space, and here's how it looks. In order to create these formations, okay, we need to understand how this works. By putting X's inside these box frames, we're showing the height division, which is right here. Here's the height division, and here's the dot showing the center, the cross line, the crossroads. Jump to Canada, 3.1514. Pi, 3.1415. In Adonai, okay, in God is right here, 14159265, the first 2, 4, 6, 8 numbers of pi. Beef fed, right over here. The first E family is the B. The second E family that creates the square, because it represents 4, is the D. Automatically, the center of D is A. We end up with con-air or con-tear or contraire, obviously, and also explaining something about weight inside 8, the balance of the earth. It's almost like they slowed down something. Now, I don't know how the formation works, but it's a period of time that we slow down something that slows down in the mind. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Imagine if you can only drive the same speed that we're driving today. But imagine if we can get twice the work done, right? Twice the work done in one day. What does that say? If we slow down time, okay, and leave the vehicles drive at 60 miles per hour, we would cut their speed in half and would actually be 30 miles an hour. So all we have to do is take time and remove it and re-addition time to everything valued at 9. If we value time at 9, then 1 minute will be actually 90 seconds. Our salary, okay, of $10 an hour, okay, would actually be $6.25 an hour. That wouldn't look too good. So by making time go quicker, everything seems to go quicker. And the mental state of everybody is how we defer everything. So another thing I wanted to mention is different letters in the alphabet, how 7 and C come together to create G, how a 7 with a cap on top come to create 9, how 7 with an L on top come to create 5, how numerological values on this angle of your phone is 159, okay, excuse me, on this angle of your phone is 159, but on the calculator, it's not 159. See the calculator area? It becomes 753. 456 is the low shoe number, so the definition of A, E, and I is the definition. So this is the basic reality of the Hun. Dread is in thunder. So I'm just trying to focus in my mind. What were they actually trying to say? Where did my mind come from? Raphael, 7286, in bringing back formation, because what we are living today, the way I see it, because of the numerological values of Einstein, Nostradamus, the Mayans, talking about Illuminati, 666, and all these things they talk about, is your reality, because you're watching me. Where did you come to watch me? You're watching InfoWars, and you're watching Nibiru and what's happening in the planet. Are you watching nothing? And you're a sheep. And who am I? And what am I talking about? I'm talking about an Irish kite. It's nothing. But nothing is everything, because once we start understanding what nothing is in everything, where the relationship of everything I speak about come to be, it now becomes everything, and what is the something of everything is what it means to you. But in the global aspect, okay, in the global aspect, if I tell you I can make everything that is $1 cost you only 5 cents, you're jumping. The same way we jump all the time. I want to buy